Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we'll learn two half turns combinations, a half right, half left turn combination, and the single left turn, which is two half left turns. You can start adding these turns into most of the salsa combinations you already know. We'll start with half right turn and half left turn. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Day 21. Are you ready? Turn to your left and let's start. One basic. 1, 2, 3. And let's do the half right turn and half left turn. Let's go. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Let's do it again. Half right and half left. Let's go. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Last time slow. You're doing great. Yeah. And let's go again. Half right and half left. Let's go. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and full speed. One basic. Go. 1, 2, 3 and let's go. Half right, half left. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Again, half right and half left. Go. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Let's do it again. Half right, half left. Go. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Now turn around. Another basic. And one basic slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And let's do it again. The more you practice, the better you get. Half right, half left. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Half right, half left. Let's go. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Last time slow. You're doing great. Let's go. Practice makes progress. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Forwards, rotate to the left and full speed. One basic. 1, 2, 3 and let's go. Half right, half left. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Again. Let's go. Half right, half left. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Let's do it again. Half right, half left. Let's go. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Now we'll start with half left. Forwards, in place. Rotate and half left. Forwards, rotate, front. One slow basic. And let's start. Half left turn and then half left turn. Yes. Forwards, in place. Rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Yes, let's do it again. Practice makes progress. Yes. Half left and half left. Let's go. Forwards, in place, rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Yes, you're doing great. You can smile. Yeah, let's do it again. Half left and half left. Forwards, in place and rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and full speed. One basic. 1, 2, 3 and let's go. Half left, half left. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Let's do it again. Half left and half left. Go. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. One more time. Let's go. Half left, half left. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Another basic and turn around. And one basic slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. Practice makes progress. Half left and half left. Let's go. Forwards, in place, rotate to the left. forwards, rotate to the left, and front. Basic. Make sure to step on the balls of your feet. And let's go again. Half left and half left. Let's go. Forwards, in place, rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Basic. Yes. Last time slow. Yes, you're doing amazing. Let's go again. Half left and half left. Go. Forwards, in place, rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate and full speed. One basic. Go. 1, 2, 3 and let's go. Half left, half left. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Again, half left, half left. Let's go. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. One more. Half left, half left. Let's go. Forwards, in place, rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. Now face to your left. Let's do another basic slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And let's do the half right and half left with no basic. Let's go. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Now to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Again, half right. Forwards, rotate to the right and front. Now to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Again, half right. Forwards, rotate, front. Now to the left. Forwards, rotate and full speed. One basic. 1 and let's go. Half right, half left. Go. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate again. Forwards, rotate. Forwards, rotate again. Forwards, rotate and forwards, rotate. Basic. Turn around. Another basic. And one basic slow. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. And now let's do half left and half left. Let's go. No basic. Forwards, in place. Rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Again, no basic. Forwards, in place. Rotate to the left. Forwards, rotate to the left and front. Again, no basic. Forwards, in place. Rotate. Forwards, rotate and full speed. One basic. Go. Let's go. Half left, no basic. Let's go. Forwards, in place. Rotate. Forwards, rotate. Again. Forwards, in place. Rotate. Forwards, rotate. Again. Forwards, in place. Rotate. Forwards, rotate. Basic. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tape at the end. Ready for day 22? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 21. Again, the more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Practice with this video again, and every time you do the half left turns, hold something in your hand and switch it behind your back, as if you're holding your partner's hand.